Shwmai pawb, Lawrence Suxham ydw i. Hello everyone, this is Lawrence Suxham here. Wel, heddiw dwi'n mynd I wneud y digio on the slope yma. Well, today I'm going to do a bit of digging in the slope. Well, hopefully I will find some bottles or some metal and other cool stuff. Bottle digging, after I've been watching the video done by Henderson and also by Steve Diamond. Let's see what we can find. Okay, starting with a metal detector. Okay, ano at y Gymraeg I ddechrau gyda metal detector. Okay. Okay, 2 inches deep. Ruler mewn hyn, somewhere in here. Okay. Okay. Let me get my guy cymryd a pro pointer allan. Na chdi. Ma raid I fi checio neu cadarnhau eto. Okay. Out of the way. Still disagrees. Whoops. Oh dear. Oh dear, because, right. Aros a minute. It's a bad start of the day. Oh, 6 inches deep. So, yeah, I have to save that. I have to do more digging like this. Yeah. Okay, see what we can find later on. I ddechrau efo 2 inches deep, neu 2 inches deep I have just started. I'm going to see what we got here. Okay, somewhere. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Off balance here. I'm a little bit off balance. Okay. Unwaith eto. Shit, I lost it. I must have found something earlier. Efallai dwi wedi ddarganfod o rhywbeth. Dyma'n peth da. But a minute you thought you'd find something, and then the next thing, you suddenly lost it. Oh well. But what I could do, beth dwi'n mynd I wneud, dwi'n mynd I glirio allan tipyn rhiw o gwydrau wnath wedi tori, bod am here. Yeah, I found some pieces of glass, which has been broken already, ever since it has been abandoned for a couple of years, nay, several years. Yeah, this is what happens when you've been digging a lot of stuff here. Yeah, can be a real nuisance sometimes when you thought you'd find something. Okay. This could be the moment. I hope. It is a real nuisance. No, because there's a spade in a way. Na, achos mae gynta nhw spad. This looks very nice. Mae hwnna'n edrych yn nice. Un o meto dwi wedi ddarganfod. Well, gobeithio mi hwnna glennu hyn wedyn. I'm gonna get this cleaned up in a few moments. Okay. Ahead. Dwi'n mynd I gadarnhau wedyn. Okay, let's see what's in there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna dig that out. Dwi'n mynd I digio hyn allan. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Mae'n edrych yn da. This looks very good here. Okay. Just look at that. Sbïa be dwi wedi darganfod. Mae'n edrych yn cool. I'll clean that up. Mae rhaid I fi glannu hyn wedyn. Sbïa be dwi wedi darganfod. And look what I've just found. After I've been digging more. Should have been a jar. That's a shame. It's broken. Oh, what a pity. Mae hwn yn pechod, yndi, bod mae hyn wedi tori. Ond, yeah. Felly mae hwn yn relic arall. Gobeithio wir. Na, aran gyda adeilad sylfaenol. Yeah, you get quite a lot of those from abandoned buildings, especially after they've been knocked down. Oh, this must be it. Strategaeth gwahanol, different strategy. Okay, I'll try to dig this all up as fast as I can, as soon as I can. Mae rhaid I fi digio hyn allan, gan gynta ar y gormod. Yeah. Mae hwnna'n gwaith afiach, mae rhaid I fi yn deud. This is dirty work I'm doing at the moment. Neu y gwaelod a bod o'n lwyb ers y bwrw glaw. I'm just gonna try and dig this out all in one go. Dear. So a nuisance, really. More a nuisance, maar I did it. Oh, what? Oh, a bear. T-bear. Gonna have to stretch my leg a little bit. Oh. Wow. Wow. After all that effort, ar ôl nifer o effort dwi'n neud, it's just a pile of brick. Foundation of a building. Unfortunately, this needs to go to a dump, eh? What about this? Sbïa hwn. Look at this. Give it a good clean up, then. Maybe not. Because maybe it needs to go to the dump. But not bad. Third relic of the day, trydydd relic y dydd. It should be over there. Pile of metal. Should be more, yeah? Rhaid I fi deud mae gynta nhw mwy. O, nes I gweld y worm massive wedi bod yn flin. Okay, wedyn gyda pro pointer. Okay. Rhaid I fi ddarganfod ble o'n union yw y metal. Somehow. Yeah. Something deeper than that. Rhywbeth o amdwfn na hyn. Yeah. Come on. This is the most toughest challenge I have ever done for my metal detecting. Yeah. An aeroplane. Erwin. Wnath wedi hedfan. Oh well, okay. Okay. This has got to be here. Okay. It's over there. Yep. Ah, yes. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Wow. It's got to be there. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Always. It is there. I'll give it a good rake. Need that. I may need that. Yeah. Need to be careful where I've put. Oh yes, pro pointers over there. So have to give extra care for that. Yeah. I'll film this. Dyma'r y moment gorau I digio stwff allan. Wow. Look what I found. A big one. Yes. Wow. Gwych. Brilliant. Yeah. This is the biggest relic I have ever found. For my metal detecting video. This is big. Oes. I'm gonna have to clean this up then. Mae rhaid I fi glannu hyn wedyn. Siwr o fod. Okay. I'll gael glanniad. Wel, hwyrach yn y nos. Dwi wedi digio nifer ohonyn nhw allan. Later in the night, I've managed to dig everything out. Okay, yn gynta, dechrau gyda peth bach. Wel, yn gynta, dydy hyn ddim yn metal o gwbl, achos dwi'n credu... a toolkit, rhan gyda toolkit, achos dwi wedi gweld y peth plastig. Yeah, I think it's part of the toolkit. This is leather, meant to be leather, and here's meant to be a plastic where you put all the tools in. Yeah. What I found. Ac un o trash. Ail peth trash. Gyda metal. Aha! This one, hwn ydi, rhan gyda fence. This one is part of the fence. No, I don't think it's part of the fence. It could be something else. Yeah, something for what the farmers used. And then, wedyn, hwn ydi a peg bach. This is a little peg. And here, it's a piece of metal. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to take all the dirt out, even though that I've been brushing quite a lot. This is the first thing of the day. Peth gynta'r y diwrnod. Wow. It is something part of the plumbing. Rhywbeth ar ran gyda plumbing, neu ar ran gyda a tractor, dwi'n credu. Yeah. It's all been blunt. If any one of you can tell me what this is, just leave a comment below so that I'll be very happy to give it a name. So that, yeah, felly mi wna I gadael hyn a gyfer notification, neu annotation, sorry, yeah. And this is a big thing of the day. Wow. This must have been some sort of big tool, not necessarily a tool, but it could be some sort of stand, because if you could see, wow, it's like some sort of shovel or some sort. But no, this has all been curled up. I think, dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhan gyda digger, unrhyw diggers wnath wedi defnyddio. This is a hell of a big find. Wow. Dwi'n hollol apus iawn. It's been a good hunt, though. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Ti'n gweld y twll mewn hyn? Yeah. Yeah. Dwi wedi trio fy nghorau I trio glannu hyn allan. I tried my best to clean it all out. But there we go. Dyna ni. Welach di, hwyrach nes ymlaen. See you all later.